Today we're exploring Cabana, a compact yet compelling modern retreat tucked into the wooded cliffs of Rhinebeck, New York. At just 800 square feet, this isn't your typical cabin. It was designed to feel expansive and intentional, connecting its occupants directly with the surrounding forest while still embracing the principles of modern architecture. Perched dramatically on the edge of a rocky outcrop, the structure's position is no accident. Glulam timber beams anchor the building into the natural rock, creating a subtle cantilever that gives the cabin a sense of lightness above the terrain. The roofline gently slopes to echo the site's topography, creating dynamic interior spaces and a quiet dialogue between building and landscape. From the outside, Cabana blends into its wooded context. The exterior is clad in black-stained cedar, offset with natural clear cedar accents and deep locust decking. The deep overhangs on the porch not only protect the glazing but frame precise views of sky and forest, inviting nature into every corner of the design. Inside, generous glazing and thoughtful ceiling heights make the compact plan feel surprisingly open. The finishes are intentionally warm and restrained. Rough-sawn white oak floors treated with UV oil wrap the space in texture, while porcelain tile in a wood grain pattern bridges the transition between wood and stone elements. Every piece of built-in furniture and millwork feels purposeful and handcrafted. Felled hemlock custom pieces are found throughout the bathroom and sleeping areas, grounding the interior in natural materiality. Even the entry features a cushioned bench with cubbies, a simple, practical spot to shed boots after a hike in the woods. The kitchen surprises with how well it functions within such a tight footprint. Though it reads visually like a wet bar, it is equipped with innovative storage solutions, from drawer-style refrigerator and dishwasher units to a versatile meal speed oven that offers both microwave and convection cooking. Custom oiled oak shelving balances the black linoleum-clad cabinetry and metalline porcelain backsplash, while still leaving room for a firewood cubby tucked neatly into the wall. One of the most intriguing spaces is the open-plan bathroom. Finished in consistent porcelain hues and anchored by a custom hemlock vanity, it brings a spa-like quality to the forest setting. The shower invites a moment of pause. You can bathe inwardly or open up to the outside, letting the forest become part of the bathing experience. At its core, Cabana exemplifies a thoughtful approach to small-scale living. Through material honesty, intelligent detailing, and a clear connection to its setting, this cabin encourages us to rethink what a retreat can be, not as an escape from the world, but as a deeper engagement with it.